By removing smoke, mechanical smoke ventilation systems aid the safe escape of occupants and allow adequate access for firefighters. Mechanical smoke ventilation systems are comprised of a FireSmart panel and detection components, a mechanical smoke shaft that serves the common corridor with a maximum leakage rate of 3.8 cubic meters per hour per meter squared. The stair doors are to be fitted with door closers, which comply with approved document M. A smoke damper which will open into the shaft. An automatic opening vent at the head of the staircase. Duty or standby smoke extractor fans, fitted at the head of the mechanical smoke shaft. On detection of smoke within a lobby, the smoke sensor registers. A signal is sent to the FDS FireSmart panel to activate the smoke ventilation system on the affected floor. Only the damper to the shaft on the floor affected by the fire will open. The automatic opening vent at the head of the stair opens, allowing air supply to enter the stair. The smoke fan begins to extract the smoke, pulling the stair door open, which allows the supply air to enter the corridor. Smoke is then extracted from the fire floor and exhausted at roof level. The extraction of smoke aids occupants' means of escape and provides suitable access for firefighting services.